Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make traditional Thai spring rolls. They're so delicious, you're going to love them. They are super easy to make, so tasty, everybody loves them. And guess what? Today you're learning how to make them. Traditional Thai spring rolls coming up. To begin, we're soaking in warm water 3 ounces of cellophane noodles. They are also called bean thread noodles. They're going to soak in warm water for about 5 minutes. Remember, warm water, not boiling water. Now, let's make a garlic paste. In a pilon or mortar, let's put in 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, and the secret ingredient, 2 cilantro roots. Cilantros have so much flavor in their roots, however, not too many people know this. Mash it all up until it turns into a paste. The garlic paste is done, and this is what it should look like once you're done banging it up. There you go, that looks good. Perfect. It is time to drain the noodles. Now, the noodles were too long to work with, so we have to cut them and make them smaller. By doing so, it is a lot easier to stir fry. On a frying pan over medium-high heat, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in your garlic paste. Saute for about 1 minute. We are using half a pound of ground pork. We're going to cook the pork through. It will take a few minutes. We are using pork because it's traditional. However, you may use chicken or anything else that you like. And if you don't eat meat, just don't put any meat in them. You could substitute the meat for another vegetable, and I'm sure they're going to be just as good. Once the pork has cooked through, we're adding 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage, 1 cup of finely shredded carrots, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Let's mix it all in. We are cooking for a few minutes until the vegetables become tender. The vegetables are nice and tender, and now it's time to introduce the noodles. Mix it all in, and we're cooking for another 2 more minutes. The filling is done. Pour into a container and let it cool off before putting the spring rolls together. Now, in a small container, add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flours and 3 tablespoons of water. Give that a mix, and we are making a paste to seal the spring rolls. Some people like to use eggs, but this is so much better. To assemble, it's really easy. On a spring roll or egg roll wrap, add some of the fillings in one of the corners and begin to roll. Try to keep it as tight as you can. Pretend that you are gift wrapping. Hey, it's Christmas in July. Fold the corners, both sides in, just like that, and roll some more. Keep it as tight as you can. Now, to ensure that it stays nice and close, we're going to add some of the water flour that we made. There you go, that looks pretty good. Spread it out a little bit. And now we give it the final roll. And that's how we make our spring rolls. You're going to do that to each one of them. On a frying pan, set the fire to medium-high heat and add enough oil to deep fry them. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to fry them in batches until they're nice and golden brown. These guys look good. Let's get them out of the frying pan. Look how good they look. They look good, tasty. My spring rolls are done, and as a dipping sauce, we're using Mario's Kitchen coconut sriracha. Yum yum, I love her stuff. Let's give it a try. Look at that. That looks delicious. Amazing, just amazing. The coconut sriracha sauce really brings the whole thing to life. It really adds so much flavor to it. I will put a link in the description box down below for you to get your coconut sriracha sauce. And there you guys have it. Thai spring rolls. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and I think YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.